Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy for steak. Start by reserving pan drippings, then deglaze the pan with beef stock and scrape fond into the liquid. Whisk in a roux of butter and flour until smooth, simmer to thicken, and season to taste with salt and pepper. Serve hot over rested steak and enjoy rich flavor. Adjust thickness with stock or cream and finish with a splash of Worcestershire or red wine for depth. Use good ingredients for the best gravy. Measure 2 tablespoons butter and 2 tablespoons flour for a balanced roux. Use hot beef stock to avoid lumps. Add pan drippings for flavor, then finish with a splash of cream or a teaspoon of Worcestershire for richness. Taste and adjust salt and pepper at the end to complement the steak. If you prefer thicker gravy, add more roux gradually until desired consistency is reached. Fresh herbs like thyme add. Deglaze properly to lift brown bits and build flavor, using a wooden spoon to scrape the pan. Whisk the roux into hot stock gradually to prevent lumps and cook until the raw flour taste is gone. Simmer gently to concentrate flavor, skim excess fat if needed, and rest briefly before serving to let the gravy thicken and flavors meld. Practice makes timing easier, especially when coordinating with steak resting properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.